When I was walking in the park with my friend Kenji last Sunday, a man talked to us in English. He spoke slowly to us, so we soon found that he was from Canada and he wanted to know how to get to the hotel. We wanted to tell him how to get there in English, but I couldn't talk to him because I was nervous and I didn't want to make mistakes. Then Kenji began to talk to him in English. Kenji's English wasn't very good, but Kenji used easy words and some gestures to tell him the way to the hotel. I thought he wasn't afraid of making mistakes. The man looked very happy when he understood where the hotel was. Kenji also looked happy. I was always nervous when I spoke English, but I learned I shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes through this experience. I'll try to speak English like Kenji next time. Question: what did the man from Canada want to know? How to get to the hotel? Number 2. How did Kenji tell the man from Canada? By using easy words and some gestures. Number 3. What did Akira learn through the experience? He learned he shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes when he speaks English.